If you want to develop in salsa and dance and feel the rhythm, start to feel the bass. Wear the headphone on put the bass on your speaker. Bam, bam. And 4 and 8 and 4, and it's the first rhythm. Then is the conga rhythm, and then is clave. And if you put together, you can be able to feel much more. We recommend start to dance and 4 and 8 and 4, then and 4 and 8. Boom, 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 boom. And do not stop the movement. Why? The counting is 8 and 1 and 4 and 5 and 1 and 5 going down because it's down. Bass, bass. And we are enjoying it. We are enjoying the rhythm because we are here. Ding bang, bam bam, bam bam, tira ta, tira bam, tira bam. This is the basic. Tira bam, ding ta, ding a, tira a, da ri ra ri a a. 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 8. 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 8. 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 8. Follow with us. Wow! 8 and 3, 4, 5. 6 is quiet. Then and 8 and 1. 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6 and 8. When you start to understand, you will be satisfied. Yes?
Of course.
Of course. And
I am satisfied.
yes, you are. But this is true. We don't need a lot of the pattern. The partner works because.
Not for the rhythm.
Yes, the rhythm is. This is the clue. Yeah. Okay, it's enough. Okay. This is not for beginners. This is medium advanced level.
Yeah.
Okay.